A manager gets shown a yellow card, then immediately gets sent to the stands for the rest of the match. That just happened to Pep Guardiola in a Premier League match, and it's one of 9 brand new rules the Premier League quietly introduced this season. No press release, no announcement. Most fans are watching matches without knowing any of them. Today, we fix that. 9 rules in 5 minutes, starting with the one nobody saw coming. Rule 1, managers can now be carded. Before this season, managers could shout, argue, sprint onto the pitch, and the worst that usually happened was a stern warning. Now there's a formal card system. Yellow means a formal warning on record. Red means you're out of the technical area and gone for the rest of the game. Guardiola got a yellow for entering the playing area without permission. Under the new rule, that earns a yellow immediately. And a yellow for a manager follows you across multiple matches, just like a player. Too many, and you face a touchline ban. Rule 2, goalkeepers can no longer take their time. A goalkeeper in possession now has exactly 8 seconds to release the ball. If they don't, the referee gives a visible countdown. Hold it beyond 0, and the other team gets a corner kick inside their own penalty area. This rule already rewrote a match this season. A goalkeeper held the ball too long, awarded against. The resulting corner led to the match-winning goal. One new rule, one match decided. Rule 3, substitutions have a time limit. Once the board goes up, the outgoing player has 30 seconds to leave the pitch. Miss the window, and the incoming player has to wait on the sideline for 60 seconds. While that happens, your team plays with 10 men. The slow walk, the fake limp, the boot that suddenly needs tying in the 89th minute, gone. Rule 4, yellow cards now apply to the bench too. Previously, bench staff could shout, gesture, and argue without consequence. Now anyone in the technical area can be carded. Coach, physio, assistant manager, all of them. Accumulate enough yellows across the season and the entire bench can face a disciplinary case. Rule 5, encroachment on penalties is now strictly enforced. Defenders and attackers can't enter the box before the ball is kicked. Same goes for the goalkeeper. They must stay on their line. Break any of those rules and VAR checks it automatically. Goalkeeper moved too soon. The kick gets retaken even if the penalty was missed. This already caused a penalty retake in the Premier League this season. Rule 6, the referee's broadcast microphone stays on during VAR checks. When VAR is reviewing a call, the referee's communication with the video team is now broadcast live. Fans in the stadium hear it, fans at home hear it. The explanation live as it's being made. No more guessing what's happening in the review. Rule 7, dissent from players gets a formal written sanction. Arguing with the referee used to result in just a yellow card. Now persistent dissent creates a paper trail. Enough incidents and a ban follows automatically. The league wanted to clean up the environment around referees, not just individual incidents, the pattern across a whole season. Rule 8, shirt pulling in set pieces is now a penalty. Shirt pulling in the box during corners and free kicks has always happened. Always been illegal, almost never called. This season, referees were told to enforce it properly. Within the first 3 match days, 4 penalties were awarded for shirt pulling alone. 4 penalties in the first 3 match days, just from that one rule. Rule 9, deliberate time wasting in injury time means an automatic booking. Before this season, time wasting earned a yellow when the referee felt like giving one. Now the rule has teeth. Deliberate time wasting in added time means a yellow card automatically. No more needing to catch the referee on a strict night. Cross the line, get the card, simple. So, 9 rules, all live, all happening right now. Managers who shout now get carded. Goalkeepers who stall now give away corners. Subs who dawdle now cost their team a man. The entire bench can now be sanctioned. Penalty shootouts are being watched more carefully than ever. VAR talks are now public. Dissent now follows players across the season. Shirt pulling in the box is finally being punished. And time wasting in added time now automatically earns a booking. The Premier League just changed the game. Most people watching it didn't even notice. Now you have. Subscribe, because these rules are already changing results, and the season is only getting started. Drop a comment. Which rule do you think will cause the most controversy this season?